Welcome friends, in this video we are going to learn how to add two numbers in Shell script. So let's start it. I have opened a text editor. You can also use your own text editor, and I will use the Sublime text tree. Now I want to create Ctrl N, then save, then I want to give its name, the add two numbers in Shell script. .sh is used extension for Shell script. Now I want to, whatever will write in the screen, I want to clear it. Then whatever I will use echo to print the message in the display. /n is used, we will remain cursor at the same line. So I want to enter first number. So then I will read it, then I will get first number, it is the variable. Then I will give a message that enter second number. Then it will read from the, it is the variable, the second number, it will store here in the second number. And then I want to give a message, the heading will be the enter add two numbers in Shell script, add two numbers in Shell script. And then I have declared the first number and second number as a variable. Then I have using read, I have stored the value which will be given by the user. So now I have to create the third variable. Suppose it is sum, then sum will be, then we have to use the $sign first number and plus second number, and it also will be the second number. Then what I have did here, please look it carefully, that it is the first number with $sign, then one space, then the operator, it is the plus for addition, and then only one space, then it is the second number. And you have to construct this bracket and by position, and it will give the result of first and two numbers of addition. Then it will store in the sum. Then I will print using read, that echo is used to print message that first and sum of first and second number, SECOND, second number is, that also percentage the sum. Then program and then save it and then run it. Our program is done. And if you are using the Linux and you just open your terminal, and I am using the Windows, so I will use any bash script, that is the CYG win. CYG win will help you to run the bash script. Then I will create it, vi space add two numbers. I have create .sh, then I have entered, then I is used to insert. I press I, then see the cursor is blinking. Then I have created this, I want to copy it, Ctrl C, Ctrl A, Ctrl C. Now what we have to do is that it is paste here using shift plus insert. See, it is paste, and then I will press the escape. Then it will say that WQ is used, save and exit. We will exit. Now I want to run it. BASH is used, or you can use the ./chmod x, or I will use this. See, it is at first clear the screen according to this code. At first clear the screen, and then it is message that add two numbers in Shell script. Then I want to give use 5. Then I enter second number 10. then sum of 5 and 10 is 15. So if you have face any problem regarding writing code or understanding, just message here, or if you do new to my channel, then subscribe, and if you like this video, just give a like and don't forget to share this video. And I will show you a server we are using. This is a programming server, name is Coding Zone. I will give the link description from where you will can join, and here many numbers of users are present from our programmer, and you just put a message and you will get solution as quick as possible. So see you in next video.